before the video starts, I just want to say thank you guys for all the views on our last video. And yeah, so we're just gonna do a boss's tier list. So yeah, number 1 we had the Barbarian Boss.
He good. Like, I put him at S. He good.
Like, he's
Good.
really good for farming, in my
Good
opinion.
for.
Sad and getting pop up. And
That's
yeah,
so sexy.
all right, we're putting Barbarian Boss at S tier.
And
All
he's
right,
actually quite
this guy.
easy on insane. Put that thing at D because
This thing is
it looks ugly, and I hate it because in insane mode it's hard to kill.
Yeah, you're right. The bat. The bat's not that bad. I put it at
Yeah,
B.
put him at B. Put him at B.
Yeah.
The only thing that's bad about him is in insane mode, like one lick will kill you.
Yeah. This panda guy's annoying.
Like him.
This guy's actually a pretty fun boss fight. I put him
that's
at
a fun level. Put him at S.
S.
Yeah,
I was gonna put him at A.
Well, the level's easy and it's fun.
All right then. S. The catfish boss fight's really fun in my opinion.
Yeah, put that at S.
Yeah.
Or A. Or somewhere.
It's a pretty okay boss. I'd put it at like A or B.
Yeah, I put it at A.
A? Yeah, it's a pretty fun fight.
It's like a fun
okay,
boss fight.
the corn boss fight, D.
Yeah, he keeps like popping up and going away.
Yeah, it's
like
impossible to kill him fast because he just keeps like going underground.
I think Cyclops is easy, and I like the way he looks. I'll put him at B.
B? Yeah, I agree with that. The final boss fight.
Cool. Yeah.
It's not that fun, to be honest. I put it at C.
Yeah, there's like 6 stages.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Ice King D. That's an automatic.
Ice King.
Like
Yeah, Ice King. Just like Corn Boss keeps teleporting. Piano Man is a fun fight.
Yeah.
That piano boss fight. Medusa. Medusa is. I don't think it's a D boss fight, but it's definitely a C. Necromancer.
I hate it so
Think
much.
about the Necromancer.
Good music.
The Necromancer, the music in his fight is amazing, but the only hard part is like the first 2 waves. I'd put him at like B. He himself is not hard.
The second wave has the buff dudes, which is the hardest. Like, both of them are hard. Like,
yeah,
so
but I put him at B because it's a.
Yeah, put him at B.
Painter is pretty annoying. What do you think he deserves?
C. Put him with Medusa.
Yeah.
They make a good couple.
The Ram. It's not that important of a boss fight. I'll put it at C.
No, I forget about it. I actually forgot about it because.
Oh crap! Wait. What's the final boss if these 2 are?
No, it's just the phase.
All right. Well, this phase sucks. This phase is actually pretty fun. This phase right here.
Yeah, I like it. I like how he looks.
This boss fight is really fun in my. The second Cyclops is really fun in my opinion. I'd put it at S.
Yeah, it brings back Piano Man.
Yeah, this is kind of like not really important.
That's easy, so fast. You kill him immediately. Yeah. Like, you can kill him if you have a good weapon.
The volcano.
What's that? Oh, the volcano. I don't like how you like. It's cool how his boss fight's different because you can only use a main witch.
I put the volcano at B.
Yeah.
Now the industrialist.
That boss fight's actually pretty fun.
Yeah, I put it at A.
Yeah, I was gonna say put it at A.
Alright, this is our finished tier list of all the bosses.
Clip it, and send us your opinion.
Yeah, send us. You can put your comments in the comments. You can put what list you would do. I mean, it would take up a lot of room in the comments, but yeah. Don't forget to join our Discord server. The link will be down below. And thank you guys for the support on this video.
And stay safe.